I'm Pascale Vicat-Blanc. I'm the CEO of Lyatiss. Lyatiss is a software company specialized in cloud networking. Today, the cloud deployment can be very painful and a lot of cloud users experience issues and bottlenecks because the network is still considered as a black box. So what Cloud Weaver, our main product, is doing is to give them more visibility over the cloud deployment, understanding the network performance, understanding also the communication patterns in order to help them to right-size their cloud deployment and also to place their jobs at the right place. So Lyatiss is empowering the DevOps and the network operators with smart cloud networking capabilities to enhance efficiency and service quality. First of all, the people we are targeting, mainly SaaS providers, companies using the cloud for delivering service online, struggle when they have a very high increase in their resource and in the workload, really struggle to first understand very well how this collection of resources are working together. So we need help. We help them to make this work well in concert. And so the main issue they have, for example, is latency issue. Because the traffic today is not just a north-south traffic, but you can also have east-west traffic between the different virtual resources. And that's very important to optimize the way the data are moved around to get the best performance and the lower delay end-to-end. So there are two big trends. The first one is effectively the big data, the amount of data that you have to process, you have to move around. And there is another big trend, which is more technological trend, is the virtualization of the network. So Lyatiss is at the intersection of both the network, the cloud, and also the application. So we leverage, for example, the software-defined network technology to enable the end user really access to the flexibility the new network is bringing to them. So the ideal customer is a customer with a sufficiently complex application in the cloud, and the complexity in terms of number of resources, but also in terms of geographical location. So you have to take care of all the distance between your resources and also the distance between your resource and the customer. So location, latency, bandwidth, and this, in accordance with the rest of the infrastructure, so the computing power. So we have an holistic view of a cloud deployment, and our goal is to really make the system smooth and the right performance. So the last point I would like to detail is about the next generation of network who will also enable the application to define their networking alone. So thanks to APIs, specific APIs, so that's where we play. So it's another step after the software-defined network or the software-defined data center. You really have to put the application at the center of the picture. It's making the application self-serve all the different resources, not just the VMs or not just the storage, but also all the pipes which connect them together.